मिक्सचर, जैसा कि इसके नेम से पता चल रहा है कि substances just mix together. There is no any chemical reaction takes place. No any new kind of thing is produced. For example, air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon. These all gases or molecules are just physically mixed together. They don't chemically react to produce any new thing. Definition of a mixture is an impure substance that contains two or more pure substances that retain their individual chemical characteristics is called a mixture. मीन्स कि दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंसेस को जब मिक्स किया जाता है तो जो रिजल्टेंट मिक्सचर आता है वो इम्प्योर होता है. As we have learned in definition, mixture is an impure substance, unlike compounds. But why? Because in a mixture, every substance is pure, but when they physically mix together, they become impure. For example, common table salt, that is NaCl. It is a pure compound. Similarly, water, H2O, is also a pure compound or substance, but when we dissolve table salt NaCl into water, salt will dissolve in water and we finally get mixture of salt and water. कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं होता, कोई नई चीज़ नहीं बनती, बस प्योर सब्सटेंसेस मिक्स होकर इम्प्योर मिक्सचर बना लेते हैं. उस मिक्सचर में सॉल्ट की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी मौजूद होती हैं और वाटर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी मौजूद होती हैं, बट दोनों डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस मिक्स हो जाते हैं, इसलिए वो इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस हो जाता है. ना ही सॉल्ट प्योर रहता है, ना ही वाटर प्योर रहता है. इसलिए ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो मिक्स हो जाएं लेकिन उनकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रिटेन रहें, उनको और उनमें कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन ना हो, कोई नई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस ना हो, तो उसको कहा जाता है मिक्सचर. और भी बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं मिक्सचर की, लाइक वाटर कंटेनिंग डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन, वाटर कंटेनिंग डिजॉल्व कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, mixture of salt, water and sand. If we take an example from our daily life, tea is also a mixture, salad is also a mixture, and milk is also a mixture. And here you can see mixture of milk, some nuts and strawberry. This is also a mixture. Types of mixture. There are two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. A mixture consists of only one phase is called a homogeneous mixture. One phase means they have uniform composition throughout. For example, sugar mixed in water. When we mix some sugar in water, sugar will dissolve and we get a mixture of sugar and water, but we cannot see the particles of sugar inside the water because all the sugar dissolves. So we get the uniform composition. So such type of mixture is called a homogeneous mixture. Similarly, when we dissolve salt in a water, we get the mixture of salt and water, and all salt is dissolved in a water and we get the homogeneous mixture because we cannot identify the salt particles in water. It looks uniform. This mixture looks uniform composition throughout. So this is the example of homogeneous mixture. Now heterogeneous mixture, a mixture that consists of two or more visibly different components is called a heterogeneous mixture. For example, sand, salt and water. For example, sand and salt. When they mix sand and salt, they will just mix together but they don't dissolve in each other. So we can easily identify sand and salt. So this kind of mixture is called a heterogeneous mixture. And the another example is oil floating on water. We can easily identify the layer. We can easily identify where is the oil at the top layer and the water is also at the bottom layer. So we can easily identify the substances, two different substances that we mix together. So this type of mixture is called a heterogeneous mixture. So students, this was the basic concept about the mixture and its types. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.